How to fix Valorant not opening? First step, restart your device. Open Task Manager. End background running process of Riot Client and Valorant. Search it and end the task if it's running in background. Close it and restart your device. Second step, restart Riot Vanguard services. Search for run and type the following text services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Click it. Right click, click properties. Startup type should be in automatic or manual, it depends on you. The service status should be in running mode. Click OK. Move on with next step. Run Valorant as administrator. Right click Valorant. Click properties. Click compatibility. Enable run the program as administrator. Click apply and OK. And move on with next step. Open up Riot Client. Click profile icon. Click settings. This page will appear. Click Valorant and start repair. Wait for some time. It's entirely repair and verifying your game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after, click OK and move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select allow an app or features to Windows Defender Firewall. Select change settings. Scroll down. Search for Riot Client and Valorant. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not having means you need to click allow another app in the bottom side. Click browse. Go to C drive. Riot Games. Valorant. You get the Valorant application. Add it. Go to Riot Client. You get the Riot Client application. Click add in the bottom side. And make sure both private and public should be enabled. Close it and move on with next step. Search for settings. Click it. Click app settings. Click install app. Scroll down. Search for Vanguard. Click the three dot icon in the right hand side and uninstall it. Once uninstall after, you need to restart your device. After restart, you can open up the Riot client. It will automatically asking you to reinstall the Riot Vanguard. Rashly reinstall the Riot Vanguard. Thank you.